There are so many toys for babies and toddlers. It can be really overwhelming trying to choose the right one. You want to make sure that the toys you choose are great for development, that they're also fun for your kids to play with, and also fun for you. I'm a parent of 2 little girls, so I would say that we've road tested a lot of these, and here are our favorites. The first thing I recommend would be books. Books are perfect for children of any age. It's a great way for you to have some bonding time with your children, and it's important to pick out books where they are going to be able to learn and identify shapes and objects or numbers or animals. Is that a frog? Oh, you like that one? Books really help them develop their language skills and grow their imagination. Number 2, stacking and sorting toys. My baby and my toddler both love to play with these. It helps them develop their motor skills, recognize shapes, and identify colors. That one goes on top too. Ooh! I highly recommend adding some stacking and sorting toys to your toy collection. Number 3, puzzles. Puzzles have been a big hit in my house. My younger daughter likes puzzles with big shapes. Sometimes they make sounds, so I like the ones that have animals. Can you put the elephant back? Where does the elephant go? Good job! Puzzles are great to help them develop their dexterity. Trying to get little shapes into different holes is a great way to improve that area, and just a lot of fun. I mean, who doesn't like a puzzle? Number 4, a music table. My kids love this. Ooh, what is this? When they're babies, you can actually take the legs off and put it in front of them, and they can explore and play with all the different pieces. They can have it make noise and sounds. And as they get older, you can attach the legs, and this helps them learn how to stand and walk. And finally, the pop-up playhouse. My girls have hours of entertainment in theirs. They play hide and go seek, they play house. It's really lightweight, and it's so easy to move it from room to room. So those are my top 5 favorite developmental toys. I definitely recommend trying these out.